Hi, I'm Fallon from WorkBlast.com, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about how to make a video resume. So, why have a video resume? Video resumes give you an opportunity to show the real you. It's a chance to elaborate and show what makes you uniquely deserving of the job you're applying for. Text resumes don't give you any room for creativity. They don't allow you to differentiate yourself and your skills from anyone else that's applying for the same position you are. If you want proof, simply pretend for a moment that you're an employer or hiring manager with an open position to fill. How many times can "I have a bachelor's degree" or 5 years experience at so-and-so company really catch your attention? The hundreds of text resumes they receive overwhelm many employers, and there's a mental block that comes into play, and they simply can't process that much similar information. By standing out from the crowd and including a video resume with your text resume, you've given the employer a chance to see a fuller picture and evaluate you based on more than just words on a single sheet of paper. One of the great things about a video resume is that it completely eliminates the maybe pile for an employer. Now, that only leaves the yes and no's. So it's important that we understand how to get you into the yes pile. We'll cover that later in another video here. There are many great reasons to have a video resume, but the number one reason is because you deserve to be evaluated on much more than your degree and qualifications alone. After all, there is much more to all of us than a single piece of paper can possibly tell.